brother's girlfriend bought him a $700 coffee machine, and I've been making a lot of drinks. So come with me to make a coffee. There's a whole setup. Measure out 18 grams of coffee. Put it in here. Turn it off. Alright, and then I use this. Take this. Split the edges. And then put it in. Then I put 130 grams of oat milk. I also add a little bit of my secret sweetener. I can't let out the secret yet. And then the espresso shot. It's not very aesthetic. But yeah, here's my coffee. I'll keep the first one simple. But yeah, my goal right now is to make like a recipe book